This is where evolution. This is where evolution stops.
The bird fucks with my shit.
That can't be legal.
I think I got it.
You didn't get shit.
I got another one.
That's just super. And now you ain't got no more bullets, so if we actually got in trouble.
No, I got bullets. They're just the expensive bullets.
That's just super.
Yeah, just. Alright, stretch your line, son. Stretch your line.
Stretching out.
Stretch your line!
Damn, look at that. He's off. Story of my life. He's off. He's not on there anymore. He popped it.
Jump right back on.
He popped it.
That's a target.
No, he popped it. That sucks. I'm over here filming you shooting guns.